Hello student, let us see the question number 17. Okay. Compare the structure of H2O and H2O2. They are asking compare the structure of H2O and H2O2. So dear student, if you talk about the H2O structure, right? So H2O structure we know student because of the two lone pair electron. Okay. So it is having the bent shape structure because the lone pair and lone pair bond pair is repulsion, it is having the bent shape. Okay, so here we are having this is lone pair student, so O is here lone pair, it is having the H and H. Okay, so this is the bent shape student, bent shape. But when you talk about the H2O2 student, H2O2, so it is having the non-planar structure student. Okay, oxygen bond is there, and other side hydrogen, and this plane also one hydrogen is there. Okay, so here is the bond angle. If you talk about student, this is the reduced bond angle 104.5 degree, right? Here if you talk about bond angle student, it is the 94.8 degree. This is 94.8 degree, it is there student. So what we are going to understand student, this is the bend shape student, and this is the non-planar structure, non-planar. Okay, non-planar structure. So this is what the comparative structure of the H2O2 and student, that is what the you know uh, a water. And here if you talk about the H2O2 structure student, this is also little complex student, that is the two different is there. See, water structure bend shape student 104.5 degree, and here what they are saying H2O2 in the gas phase, here is the bond angle, OH bond angle 95 picometer, and OO bond angle 147.5 picometer, and here is 94.8. Now when you talk about the solid phase, it is 98.8 student. This is the 98.8, and here is 140.8 picometer. So in the solid phase student, that is the this OH bond length has increased, but OO bond length has decreased, and bond angle also has the increased student from 94.8 to 101.9. Let us have a look in the slide student. In water, oxygen atom is sp3 hybridized, and there are two OH bond. There are two OH bond and two S and the two sp3 hybrid orbital occupy lone pair electrons. So what they are saying, oxygen is there student. This is lone pair electron. Here is also lone pair electron. So these are there in the hybrid orbital. Here is a hydrogen will be there, and here is hydrogen. Due to the stronger lone pair repulsion than the bond pair repulsion, the HOH bond angle reduced from 109.5 to 104.5, means 104.5 degree. Okay, therefore water molecule is a bent or angular shape. This is the bent shape, right? Bent shape. Now what is there student? H2O2 has non-planar structure. H2O2, what they are saying, non-planar structure means H, here is O, here is O, and here is H. H2 non-planar structure. In this structure, the two OO oxygen atom are bonded to each other. So this is the oxygen bonded to each other by single covalent bond, and each oxygen atom is further bonded to hydrogen atom by the single covalent bond. So this is the hydrogen, and here is also hydrogen. The two OH bond are in the different planes. Okay, this is the upper plane, okay, and this is the down plane. The dihedral angle between the planes is 101. This is 111.5 degree in the gas phase. Okay, so this is all about, this is not the dihedral angle student, this is the wrongly dihedral angle. This is the angle in the gas phase. If you talk about student, the gas phase, it is the something student 94.8, in the gas phase 94.8. And dihedral angle means what student, here will be the this angle is 111.5. This is the plane angle, the dihedral angle between two planes, it is 111.5. So this is all comparison between the structure of water and H2O2. Thank you so much for watching friends.